In this video, we are going to see about intersect operation in SQL set operation. Let's see what is a set operator in SQL. A set operator in SQL combines the results of two or more select statement or compares rows from two or more tables. It returns a single result set by eliminating duplicate rows. Here is the syntax for set operator. Set column 1, column 2 from table 1, union or union all or intersect or except. Select column 1, column 2 from table 2. Now what are the types of set operators? There are different types of set operators. They are union, union all, minus and intersect. Let's see about intersect operation. The intersect operations in SQL are also used to combine the result of two select queries, but the combination procedure is different. The intersect operator returns only those records which are common between both the output that are being combined. Look at the pictorial representation. In the first table we have 1, 2, 3 and in second table we have 3, 4 and 5. Here the output shows only the data which is common in both the tables. So the output is 3. Let's see an example for intersect operation. Here we have two tables, accounts table and sales table. Accounts table contains the information about the employees who work for accounts, and sales department contains the information of the employees who work for sales. Now we are going to perform intersect operation on the account and sales table. Here we have a query, select start from account, intersect, select start from sales. Look at the output table. Here we have the employee name Akash with employee ID 2 works for both the account and sales department. So the output contains only the one row, that is Akash. I hope you understand about the intersect operator. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.